How to integrate Notion with Google Calendar. So, if you want to go ahead and quickly integrate your Notion with your very own Google Calendar to manage your resources and time, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to the left hand side on your team space, and right under the private section, you're going to go over to Calendar. And once you come over here, it says Meet Notion Calendar. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on Continue to Google. Now, what it's going to do is you're obviously going to go ahead and take all of your Google permissions and you're going to choose the account. Okay. So let's say I'm going to go with this Google account. Once you do that, you're going to click on Continue. And what this will do is you're simply going to go over, give permissions to all of your calendar settings and all the whatnots. And once you do that, you're going to click on Continue. Now, once we have done that, that basically authorizes Notion Calendar to get integrated with Google Calendar. And once that is done, it's going to help us install a calendar integration. Okay, so once everything is good to go, here we go. So our Google Calendar is now integrated and fully functional with our Notion Calendar. And that is basically about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.